In this video, we will be showing you the steps to fix a buzzing or rattling noise in your countertop microwave oven. When you are cooking something or heating a beverage in your sharp countertop microwave oven, do you hear a humming sound? All microwave ovens will make a humming sound when cooking. This sound is normal. If the sound is louder and sounds like a rattling, this could be caused by the turntable not being aligned properly. First, open the microwave oven door. Then remove any cookware and take out the turntable. Now, remove the roller stay that sits under the turntable. Some microwaves will have a roller stay that is just a ring with wheels, and some have roller stays that have a post that fits into the center of the cavity. If your roller stay has a post that fits into the center of the microwave oven cavity, make sure it is lined up properly before inserting it. You may need to rotate the roller stay until the post fits properly into place. Now, replace your turntable. Make sure it is centered on the roller stay and it fits properly into place. Finally, place a microwave-safe mug or cup filled with water on the center of the turntable and start a short cooking cycle. If the buzzing or rattling sound persists, your microwave oven may not be sitting level. Use a level across the front of the microwave to make sure it is level from side to side. Then move the level along one side of the microwave to make sure it is level from front to back. If your countertop is not level, we recommend placing your microwave oven on a flat and level surface. If you have leveled your microwave oven, positioned the turntable and roller stay correctly, and placed your microwave-safe cookware in the center of the turntable, you should be able to enjoy your sharp countertop microwave oven.